All right, Stephen, thank you. Welcome to the Cooking Corner in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. We're very happy to welcome Marleta Giles from the OSU Extension Office. She's here doing some curry turkey lettuce wraps. Marleta, good to see you. It is
good to be here.
Very happy that you are here. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to do some curry turkey lettuce wraps. I've used ground turkey. We're going to brown it, get rid of all the pink, but you can also use ground chicken, or you can use tofu if you'd like a vegan option.
Yeah, just some good protein in there.
Absolutely.
And I wish people at home could smell it, because the curry, the whole studio smells like it, and it's a very good smell. It's very good.
So curry is actually a blend of spices. It's an Indian spice, but it's a blend of spices.
Okay.
But we buy it just all already blended in the
already
United
pre-made.
States.
So what do we do?
We're going to add our spices. I've got our curry, salt, and also some orange zest, which makes this even smell better.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're going to just throw this in our pan. I've already browned my turkey. I've added a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to stir this up really well. And then we're going to add our parsley and our green onions.
Okay.
You can add cilantro, you can add lots of parsley, you can add green onions, yellow onions, whatever you like.
And it looks like, yeah, a lot of different flavors in this too. Maybe a little bit of spice in it, but the curry, of course, will be the main flavor probably.
Yes, actually, especially when you're using something like ground chicken or ground turkey, the curry just flavors everything beautifully.
Awesome.
So, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of about three-fourths of a cup of shredded carrots, and you can add as much or a little of this as you like. If you like spicy food, you can add some cayenne, you can add jalapenos. This is one of those dishes you can make your own. Add what your family likes and what your children like as well.
Be some crunch in here with the carrots.
Absolutely. So, and actually, that's it. You're done.
So you don't have to, cook it down very much, basically.
Well, no, I've already cooked it, but it only takes about 5 minutes for your turkey to cook. You just want to cook all the pink out of it.
Perfect.
And one of the first things you do when you come into the kitchen, you want to wash your lettuce, because it takes longer for the lettuce to dry than it does for you to cook your meal. And that's a great job for your kids.
Yeah, it is.
So if you've got kids, put them to work in the kitchen, teach them how to cook.
And this is great too, because there's a lot of different ways you can serve this, correct?
Exactly. I've made a bowl over here. In the bowl, I've added brown rice, I've added more onion, and lettuce underneath. So it makes a terrific meal if you want to eat it with a fork.
Yeah, and then if you wanted to do just the lettuce wraps, you just put it in a wrap and eat it that way.
So,
low carb option.
We will put this in our wrap, just like this. I've used butter, green butter leaf lettuce. We'll just move that to the side. And I love butter lettuce because it is so palatable. It's not very sharp in flavor, but you can use red leaf lettuce like I have over there. We're going to add some avocado.
You can do a lot of different things with it.
You can do so much with this. I'm going to squirt some lime on it.
Okay. This looks very good. Great idea for a lunch or an easy dinner too.
Absolutely. Takes just a few minutes and your dinner's on the table.
Awesome. Marleta, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You can check out many more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website at newson6.com/recipes. We'll be right back after this break. Stay with us.